My name is Jaxon Hoover. I'm a kicker in the class of 2028 at McPherson High School. I was recently named 4A All-State first-team kicker after my sophomore season, and I'm a 4.5-star kicker with Kohls.
The second half.
Jaxon Hoover for the ensuing kickoff. Back deep to return, Caden Sturr and Sebastian Bentley. It'll go over the head of everybody. Hoover to boot it away. Caden Sturr, Sebastian Bentley back deep to return. The kick is high and will go into the end zone for a touchback. A 20-yard field goal. Good snap, good hold. The kick on the way, and it's good. Jaxon Hoover gives McPherson the lead with 2:52 to go with a 20. Jaxon Hoover in to kick the PAT was 3 for 3 last week. Good snap, good hold, and the kick does split the uprights. It is good.